The government is committed, has committed to, and has provided the funding to the largest multi-annual social housing programme in the history of the state. That is the core of the government's policy programme. 3.3 billion allocated this year to new house construction. We want to build 9,500 new social homes. But also the state and government is getting involved in building and supporting the building of affordable homes through a variety of schemes. And the government has initiated the first national cost rental scheme, which will provide houses at rents 25% below the market price. And I have said, and I've made it clear to my government colleagues, along with the other party leaders in government, they're committed to ensuring that housing is our number one collective responsibility as we emerge from COVID-19, to give young people an opportunity for home ownership. And that is something that I am passionately committed to. And to those who need social housing, that we provide enough social housing for them. The fundamental issue at stake in housing is supply. Supply, supply, supply. That's it. And that is why there's an onus and a responsibility of all politicians, of all parties, to do everything we possibly can to support the supply of housing. And that's why, Deputy, your party also has questions to answer in terms of the serial objections now to quite substantial housing programmes and projects that have been voted down on too many occasions. The biggest actor in housing right now, the biggest player, is this government, through a whole range of vehicles and schemes, because our priority remains the first-time buyer, and we want home ownership to increase. But yet you have opposed every single measure that this government has taken to provide affordable housing to people, and you did likewise in previous years also.